Okay, so you're going to need a rat tooth comb and some silky 14. Just kidding, this is not a YouTube video about my hair. I love when guys text me and say, why don't you come over? Why would you want me to come over? You don't even know me. And this is like a first date. It's like, why would I come over? I could be crazy. Forget about you being crazy. I could be crazy. I could come up in your house. That was my gun noise. Don't know if you liked it, but yeah, like it's kind of like scarred me for life, because now when a guy texts me at 10 p.m. and says, what you doing? I'm like, no, you can't come over. Just kidding. Yes, you can. I want to be held. Don't act like you don't want some big, strong arms around you, girl. I know, girl. I know, girl. Guys are always taking pictures and putting them on Instagram and Facebook, and they little outfits that they were seeing at the club, a little watches, a little Jordans. I don't want to see that. Post some pictures of you in some basketball shorts and some ankle socks. That's sexy. Long as your ankles ain't ashy. I got some lotion though, so make it look ashy. I help you out. You gotta be sexy. Not that hard to please, you know? Like, just be sexy. Text at a decent hour. Like to go on dates and feed me cake. And send me pictures of you in some basketball shorts and ankle socks. And we good. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got some lotion on your elbows. Put some chapstick on. Because it's nothing worse than talking to a dude and a little piece of the chapped lip skin just fling out on you. That's gross. You need to do something about that, young man. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope my bow wasn't too distracting. I was thirsty to wear it because I bought it. It was $3. No, I didn't make it, but you know, it's at Forever 21, so yeah. Come again. Bye.